Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F09 error code and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So, a couple things. First of all, a little bit of bad news. The F09 error is not an easy error like a drain error or an intake error that you can usually localize it real easily and get it fixed. So, because the F09 error is actually an error inside the software that's on the dishwasher, and is almost always going to need to be, the troubleshooting is going to need to be done by somebody at Whirlpool. So you can actually call Whirlpool customer service if you're having this, and they can kind of help you through it. But before you do that, you spend that time, or before you spend the money of actually calling, calling someone to come repair it, is because it's a software error. It's basically the computer of the dishwasher. And when your own computer is kind of acting funny and you can't figure out why and it's going slow or whatever, sometimes just doing a hard restart will get things working again. You can do the same thing with your dishwasher. So to do that, you just want to turn it off and disconnect it from power completely for a full minute. And then restore power, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear this error out before you go into calling, calling the Whirlpool or calling a technician or whatever. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.